Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the right account and a backup before you proceed. Sign into the Apple Developer or Public Beta program with your Apple ID and confirm your Apple TV model supports tvOS 26. Once done, back up your Apple TV settings to iCloud or create a manual restore point. Make sure your Apple TV and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network so you can install the beta profile. This avoids lost settings and ensures the profile transfers cleanly to the device. On your iPhone, download the tvOS 26 beta profile from the beta portal you're enrolled in. This gives your Apple TV permission to receive beta updates. Then open Apple TV settings, go to System, then Software Updates, and you should see the beta option available. If not, toggle Wi-Fi and check again. Allow the profile to install and accept any terms. You may need to restart the Apple TV so the profile is recognized and the beta build appears in the update list. Start the update from Settings System Software Updates and choose the tvOS 26 beta. Leave the Apple TV powered and connected until it completes. If the install fails or stalls, reboot both Apple TV and router, reapply the beta profile on your iPhone if necessary, then try again. If problems persist, restore the device from your backup and reinstall the public release. Remember to file detailed bug reports in Feedback Assistant so Apple can fix issues and you can track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.